Greetings, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain the question paper pattern of second PUC Karnataka State Board for the academic year 2021-22 because this format is not applicable for the next academic year. This is applicable only for this academic year 2021-22. Now, in section A, that is 1 marker questions, they will give 12 questions. Out of 12, you should attempt only 8 questions. So 8 into 1 is 8 marks. Chapter 1 will be from the question number 1 will be from the first chapter, that is non-profit organizations. Question number 2 will be from second chapter, that is partnership account fundamentals. Question number 3 and 4 you can expect from admission of a partner, that is chapter 3. Question number 5 and 6 you can expect from chapter 4, that is retirement and then death. Question number 7 you can expect from chapter 6, accounting for share capital. Question number 8 from debentures, chapter 7. Question number 9, financial statements, that is chapter 8. Question number 10, chapter 9, that is analysis of financial statements. Question number 11, accounting ratios, chapter 10. Question number 12, cash flow statement. So these only my expectation. So they will give 12. Out of 12, you have to attempt 8 questions. Then section B. So in section B, all are 2 marker questions. They will give 8 questions. Out of 8, you should attempt only 5 questions. Each and every question carries 2 marks. So question number 13, you can expect from the first chapter, that is non-profit organizations. Question number 14, you can expect from fundamentals, that is chapter 2. Question number 15, chapter 3, admission of a partner. Question number 16, dissolution, that is chapter 5. Question number 17, accounting for share capital, chapter 6. Question number 18, financial statements, that is chapter 9. Question number 19, analysis of financial statements, that is chapter 10. Question number 20, cash flow statement, that is chapter 11. Now, my suggestion is the easiest way to study all the theory questions is, this is your question bank. In fact, this is your chapter 1. See, accounting for non-profit organization. Go to this page number 1, 2, and then 3. You will find 2 marker questions here. In page number 3, you will find 2 marker questions. My suggestion is, first you study all these 2 marker questions thoroughly. You learn it properly. If you learn all the 2 marker questions properly, trust me, you can attend all these questions. All 1 markers, MCQs, fill in the blanks, and then true or false questions. These questions will be extracted from 2 marker questions. So my suggestion is, first in each and every chapter, study 2 markers, then come back to all 1 marker questions. This is my suggestion. Now, section B and then section C. First, you try to give preference only to these chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. From these chapters itself, you can study all 1 marker questions from chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. If you study 1 markers from the same chapter, that will help you to attend even section A questions. All right. So first you give preference to these theory chapters, then later on go to other chapters. So this is about section A and then section B. Then section C, third heading. Section C is 6 marker questions. They will give 8 questions. Out of 8, you should attempt only 4 questions. So 4 into 6 is 24. Now, question number 21 will be from the chapter 2, that is profit and loss appropriation account. So recollect the format. P&L appropriation account, debit side, you will write all the expenses, right? Interest on capital, salary, commission, interest on loan. So go to second chapter, look your question bank, you will find 4 questions based on P&L appropriation account. Learn those questions properly. Next is question number 22, again from chapter 2, interest on drawings. So you can expect question from a product method or average period method. My suggestion is learn both. Then question number 23, you can expect question either from admission or retirement of a partner, either sacrifice ratio or gain ratio. So recollect, what is the formula for sacrifice ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio, correct? Gain ratio formula, new ratio minus old ratio. So this you can expect for question number 23. Question number 24, you can expect from chapter 4, that is death of a partner. So remember, in death of a partner, for the goodwill treatment, you should follow accounting standard 26. All right. Then chapter 25 will be from chapter 7, that is issue and redemption of debentures. So learn issue part properly. That is the first 6 entries: application, allotment, first and final call. So these variety, learn it properly. And issue of debentures for a consideration other than cash. So when you buy assets, sometimes company will issue debentures instead of cash. So learn that variety. So that you can expect for question number 25. Question number 26, you can expect from financial statements, that is chapter 8, that is preparation of balance sheet or P&L, statement of P&L. In your question bank, you will find 12 questions based on this. Learn these 12 questions properly. You can expect any one from this. This is chapter 20, question number 26. Question number 27 will be from accounting ratios, chapter 10. Again, in your question bank, you will find 15 questions. Go to accounting ratios chapter, you will find all 6 marker questions, liquidity and then solvency ratios. Liquidity and solvency ratios, that is current ratio, liquid ratio, then debt to capital employed ratio, debt to equity ratio, right? So learn both liquidity and then solvency. You can expect any one for question number 27. Then question number 28, you can expect one question from cash flow statement. So there are 3 activities in cash flow, right? Operating, investing, and then financing. So from these 3 activities, you can expect any one question for question number 28. All right. So they will give 8 questions. Out of 8, you should attempt only 4 questions. Then section D. Section D is 12 marker questions. Again, they will give 8 questions. Out of 8, you should attempt only 4 questions. So 12 into 4 is 48. Question number 29, you can expect from chapter 1, that is non-profit organizations. Question number 30, you can expect from chapter 3, admission of a partner. Question number 31, you can expect from chapter 4, that is retirement of a partner. Question number 32, you can expect from chapter 5, dissolution. Question number 33, you can expect from share capital, chapter 6. Question number 34, you can expect from chapter 7, debentures. So in debentures, first you learn, you give importance to the journal entries, issue and then redemption of debentures. Very rarely you will get question from preparation of ledger accounts. Learn the journal entries questions properly. Then question number 35 will be from chapter 9, that is analysis of financial statements. In analysis of financial statements, you may get question on comparative or common size. Okay, so learn this properly, comparative or common size. You can expect any one for question number 35. Question number 36, accounting ratios. In your question bank, you will find 11 questions. Learn all the 11 questions properly. You can expect any one out of those 11 for question number 36. So all in all, you will have 8 questions. Out of 8, you should attempt only 4 questions. Then next is section C. Section C is 5 marker questions. So in 5 markers, they will give 4. Out of 4, you should attempt only 2 questions. Now, there are 15 questions which are given in the question bank. Go to your question bank, you will find 15 questions, practical oriented questions. Learn all those 15 questions properly. Out of those 15 questions only, you will get 4 questions. Out of 4, you should attempt only 2 questions. So this is your question bank. Page number 9. So here you will find all the 15 questions, 15 practical oriented questions. Learn these 15. Out of these 15 only, you can expect any 4. Out of 4, you should attempt only 2 questions. My suggestion is at least question number 1 to question number 8. Learn properly and then go. So minimum, you will get 2 questions from this, minimum. So if you find it really difficult to remember all the 15 questions, at least study 8 questions and then go for the exam. You can expect 2 questions. Thank you. All the best for your exams.